Good morning guys. Andito na naman kami. Tignan niyo sila guys. Kaya hi buhay. Electric pan pa. Di na ako makahiga. Dungdung.
Okay, so I'm not using my brain today, I guess. I don't think I'm gonna get too angry. Well, I will get angry, but I don't think I'm gonna scream like last video. Last video was bad. Last video was just bad. But this time, I have throat pain, so I can't really even scream whether I want to or not. Plus, I was playing Rainbow today, and I did so bad that I got so angry. So I think I don't think I'm gonna react. And I got a sheep. Cool. Don't want to attack me. I don't remember that it's not a lot of ammo here. I can barely see with this thing. At least it's not as bad as Endless War with the zombies. The moment the tank spawn, it's just
Ayan, patulog-tulog lang. Ikaw, hindi ka kabalok saka. Saka din eh, apil. Oh. Sambak. Hindi siya marunong.
We already lost.
Yung dalawa marunong.
There's never a wish at
Dali
this
dong.
point. Never mind.
Dong, saka dali ah.
This is such a
Ay,
bad
papel
idea.
di.
Am I gonna say that every video I do? Yeah, no,
Saka
crap,
dali.
it's a bad idea. But I cannot scream this time because my throat pain. So stupid. All because I was sleeping while breathing through my mouth. Even though I breathe through my nose all the time. I forgot the flashlight triggers the witch immediately. I completely forgot about that. So I'm gonna tell Tank this mod.
Sarap na sarap sa
The
hangin.
moment we all have guns, the mod becomes a lot easier. So please give us guns. We need guns. Was that the spitter? Okay, didn't do damage to me. You really? 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 The tank spawns here? Oh, cool. Oh, I'm dead. I'm just dead. Are you the tank can spawn here on this mod? Are you serious? Might as well restart. I guess restarting doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, this is a terrible idea. Actually, it's just really. I don't think I want to do this.
Inay ko iba. Kaya video ko.
You really? Why? Why does this tank need to spawn? Well, I should have just played plastic because it's the same thing.
Matigas ang
Spam the tank to
ulo.
win. Both of them do the exact same thing. They just spam the tank to win. Can you guys leave the tank alone? Holy crap. The poor thing cannot have a break.
Ano ko makahiga ha? Makahiga.
I don't need that. If it's a witch, it's over. Any guns? We need guns. No? Okay. Oh my god, there is. Oh my god, there is.
Ninit ko sila lagi.
No. Where you going? I miss.
Agang nagising, mga 3 AM sila nagising. Pagbangon ng aking asawa. Bangon din sila. Kasi yun pa natulog ulit. Pinakain na to sila kanina. So mamaya ko na sila pa ipa-lunch. Kasi sabay na kami. Eh magugulo naman ito mamaya pagkain namin. Ano pala yung ano nila guys? Dog food for adult and puppy. Update sa gamot, hindi pa rin namin nabili. Kasi nga kulang pa yung pera namin guys. Kawawa na itong mga to. Check ako. Nangal ako doon. Sanang tatropa lang. Parang ano. Hanggang pumayat konti. Kay dahil sa kuto nila. Pulgas kamo. Wala yung mga garapata, yung pulgas lang. Ang dami. As in, marami.
After this, I'm not touching the nightmare mode. I just don't want to do something that's just gonna spam bots. I'm not playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6, buddy. You guys please move out of the way. Thank you very much. There surely won't be another 2 tanks again, right? See the difference on the difficulty? If there's no tank, this mod is so easy. Because if the witch spawns, I just gotta hit a headshot with the sniper. And she's dead. But 2 tanks? Please do not spawn tanks.
Maitim man.
just don't. It's probably gonna happen. At least this time we're stronger. We ain't that strong. I remember the tank always spawns over there. I don't know. Charger? Okay, so it's
Ayun pa. Kamot ng kamot.
We got new guns. How are you already out of ammo? What do you shoot? What do you shoot? Bro, there's a gun.
Alam niya siya yung inaano. Alam niya siya yung
There's a tank, we're just dead. Oh, I hate this monster so much.
Pinapag-usapan.
Oh, this is a spell. Don't go.
Nag-hit siya.
I'm trying to listen for the tank. It's gonna be.
Hindi namin mano.
Oh my god, it is. Do we have no
nag-hit
guns?
siya.
Yes. I don't know if
Mga ilang araw na to. 1 week na. Ay, 3 days? 4 days.
And the witch is just a one shot. Oh, there she is. Where is she?
Mama nito, Shih Tzu. And then yung tatay is Haskell. Kasi dati yung aso ng pinsan ko.
Where is she?
Na Shih Tzu, si Summer, nakita niyo na yan dito sa
Now let's get it.
vlog.
What the hell is a charger?
Si Summer yung may team.
You're gonna be back. No tank. No tank. Don't do it. We're so
Sa
close.
kawala, ayun
keep
na,
quiet. Okay, I need my team to move faster.
Aspin.
I need you here.
Kaya ganyan yun. Pero hindi na siya lumalaki, ganyan
I
na.
don't think it's really that good for
Ito
this.
naman
I want to save the
is
ammo for the witch and the tank.
full-blooded
Come on.
Japanese Spitz.
Ooh.
And then yung mga tatay nito, Japanese Spitz din, na may
The tank is gonna
crossbreed
spawn,
ata
for
yung
sure.
tatay.
It's a nightmare
Shih
mod.
Tzu
Guys
yung
on top.
half, tas Japanese Spitz yung half.
Where are you going? No, don't go. There's gonna be a
Ganito
tank, dude.
sila.
I guess we're going. Where's the
Ang
tank?
ganda
It's gonna be to
naman
my
ng
right.
aking
Give me a sec.
duday. Ito si Aya, si Inday yan, si
Really?
Inday,
Everybody's alive?
si
I'm telling
Dongdong,
you,
hindi
if
pa
this
siya
mod
marunong
doesn't spawn the tank,
umakyat
it's
dito.
so easy. Even the witch was a joke. If you get the sniper, the witch is just nothing.
Gwapo ng aming
Now,
Dongdong.
this area is bad. There's a
Dongdong.
sewer. Except for that. Yeah.
Dongdong. Diyos arte man kay ang Dongdong lagi.
He has a
Ay.
spawn. But the moment he spawns, I'm gonna eat my ball. Because he
Sleepy
spawns with the
rin,
tank and the
Dongdong.
witch is Any guns here for my team?
Wala,
Yes.
yung mga
Take the
kiyatan
guns.
man.
Team, take the guns.
Isa,
So weird that it
pa yung
hasn't
isa,
been.
ang arte.
I'm actually terrified.
Nagulan pa.
It's like lucky as heck. Again?
Nagulan pa talaga siya. Nagulan pa talaga.
Jesus, he got destroyed. You need that rifle? Good. What is that sound? Witch. I gotta keep everybody alive. You get an extra line. So many enemies. But there's a witch.
Fantasy no witch.
And where's the mullet? And it's gone. And then you give me a icon. No, who has the mullet? I remember once I spawned here when I was in the room and it basically annihilated my team. Because there's nowhere to go. I haven't played Paris in a while.
Tingnan niyo naman ang tsinelas na yan.
No. Come on, move away, please. You don't got time for this. I know there's a tank. You're not going nowhere, buddy. They all out of ammo. I just realized none of them have ammo. Oh my god. None of them have ammo. If a tank spawn is literally GG. Please give me weapons. Dude, I need guns. I need guns. Okay, he got a pistol. Everything is a tank to me. No! Where's
Guwapa
that
ni
thing?
among Inday. Guwapa ni. Ay.
I'm wasting ammo.
Guwapa ni among Inday.
Don't I love this? Guns? Oh my god, yes.
Tingnan niyo
Take the
yung
guns.
mukha niya.
Yes.
Dami din.
Oh my god, I found the tank. I literally have PTSD. More guns. Yes, yes. As long as there's no tank or anything down here, and there was a charge. Please guys follow me. I can't tell them to go first. Because if they get away, the tank will be the first one to attack them. There's a hunter. That is... There's the hunter. Now,
Hi,
the
nako.
whole section left is insane. Okay? Now here's the tank that definitely spawned, and here's the I still know the thing. It's still low. I usually just tell my team where to go.
Binabulabog. Binabulabog ang mga pangit na bata. Ay, Dongdong. Hindi makaslip sa bak kay mama.
After this chapter, it's even worse. Guns? Good. Here's the problem. I just don't know where to go. But I can't tell my teammates to go first. Like I said, the witch and the tank, I need to see them first. and I need to attack them first. Any corners, I need to be as far away as possible. I don't want to have this up. Not when we're so close. And if we can have as many lives as possible before the fourth block.
Ayan. Oh, ito na. Nawala na si Inday dyan. Okay, andito na naman.
Not that bad.
Oh, tingnan yung mga kagat ng ano nila sa
Oh my
akin.
god. This plate is so big. I need to pay attention to the tank. I really hope they don't run out of ammo. What? No, they'll start trolling now. And they're out of ammo. Okay, so I need a tank to not spawn at all, or it's over. Unless the sniper can do 5,000 damage per bullet, it's GG. Just in case, I'm gonna use it. Somebody found a gun, and that's a pistol. Safe house in front of me.
So,
Tank.
ayun na muna yung video guys. Update tayo later naman. Dalawang vlog tayo today. Para mapansin tayo ni YT. And see you later guys. Bye.
So we need to take this